Alright, before you tell us that this is stupid,
we already know.
We already know this is completely retarded, but I have to make it work. So anyways, here's a rundown on what happened. This broke, and we're broke, and we're gonna sell the thing. So we're gonna take this line off and crimp it there, but this line's stripped because we didn't use a brake line wrench. So we went to this one, and it was working great, twisting it off, and all of a sudden it snaps. So we try to crimp it right here, and that snaps this piece somewhere down here. So we're pretty much to the point where
how's it looking? Pretty clean.
Pretty good. You see that right there, that hole? We're gonna take a TIG welder, not even, it's a stick welder. Jesus. And we're gonna put a speed right there, and we're gonna see if it works. We're probably gonna die from doing this, or it's not gonna hold, or 1,000 other things. This is honestly the worst idea, but
so you're gonna be holding this right here.
but we're gonna have to make it work.
You're gonna be holding this right here.
Why are we holding that?
I don't know. Because I feel safer when you go like this.
So we don't have a gas tank right there?
Yeah.
Oh, it stays there mint.
Just put one right on top of that bitch.
Thick bead right there. Seen the Versa yet? Again. Look at this girl.
New exhaust tip.
New exhaust tip.
Pretty good.
Pretty racy, but
this is so fucking ghetto. I don't want to do this.
what other ideas do we have?
I don't know.
We're both broke.
I don't even know if this will even get like a good fucking charge. Because it's all rusty.
Isn't this gonna be your first time welding a car then?
Yeah.
Oh, God.
The only thing I've really welded is my four-wheeler.
So
I'm not doing it if it's flammable.
danger, eye irritant.
I'm not gonna be fucking dumping it in my eye.
Doesn't say it's flammable. You wanna test it? You wanna get a little bit and like put a lighter to it? Wanna just test it?
Do you have a lighter?
Me? Shit, I don't know. Probably not.
Fuck it, I'm just gonna do it.
Just send it right
I'll
now?
send it for the boys.
Just send it for the boys, bro.
If it even works, I doubt it's gonna fucking spark. Okay, if I blow up,
I'll run.
just run away. Don't tell my grandparents.
All right, cool. I'll drive away.
Fuck, dude, I don't want to do this.
Shit.
Fuck. Helmet.
Shit.
Fucker.
Did you do it?
I think she's capped off.
Oh shit, bro.
Here, I'm just gonna lay a flat one on there again. Okay, now she's really on there.
Dope.
Fuck, dude.
Let her settle for a little bit,
And then I gotta scrape it.
and then we're gonna hit the brakes and see if it leaks. If it doesn't leak, holy shit.
If it doesn't leak, we're OGs.
So what do you think? You think it's gonna work, Christian?
I don't know.
I don't know either. Go hit the brake.
Okay, I gotta get the fucking... It's a stick welder, so it's got slag afterward. I don't know, I might have to lay a fat bead right on top of that.
All right, hold on. All right, do it.
Test one?
Yep. Stop. It worked. There's a. You need to put a bead on top. There's a small.
Yeah. When we come back, I'll lay a fat one.
All right, and it's gonna work. This thing's gonna be so ghetto, but it's gonna work. All right, so we just went inside, ate some food. We're back at it, and we're gonna try to weld some more and make this bad boy break today. Not break, but like.
I'm not. You're not going home till we bleed the brakes and get this all done.
Okay. Okay, watch your eyes. Okay.
I just made sure it's thick boy.
Thick boy?
I think that'll hold.
I think your car's smoking.
You got a fire.
Do we actually?
No.
You wanna hit the brake?
Let it cool down.
Okay.
Dude, it just keeps smoking. What the fuck?
It's all from inside here. It's all in the wheel well.
Oh yeah, she's good.
Alright, ready? Alright, do it. Are you hitting them?
Yeah. Here.
It fucking works.
Full down. Look at it. Full down.
Nothing.
Keep pumping. Nothing coming up.
Nope. We fucking did it, boys.
Yes. All right. For this job, we're only gonna charge $30.
And
per
guess what?
person,
That's not
plus a down rate of $20 an hour. This will usually take about a 3-hour job. So in total, when you bring your car in, it's about, we'll say about $120 for this job. So just hit us up, betfrico.com/YouTube or whatever it is.
I'm backing up for a reason. You keep coming closer. I'm trying to get you in the shot, and you keep getting. I'm like backing up. You're actually like walking. Let's bleed some brakes and get this shit out.
Wait. We gotta find some screws for this rotor. Because, like, I took the wheel off and this rotor was literally, like, just sitting on there. It was like this. I fucking went like that and it was like that.
Well, the lug nuts hold it on anyways.
Well, fuck it then. Let's weld it on there.
Let's not do that.
Why? You think it's a bad idea?
Yeah. Just got back. We're using the Versus light bar as a light. We were out for like, I don't know, 2 hours. Not 2 hours, an hour and 30 minutes looking for a stupid wrench. Which is kind of junk, because I guess nobody sells them. And that looks good. Alright, so, we
bled the brakes.
We think we bled the brakes. We bled 3 of them. I know, we never bled this side because we welded it, because it's ghetto. But the brake pedal feels okay. It's not excellent. It's okay. So, the thing we're going to do right now, we're going to test it. And I'm going to move my car, so in case it doesn't have brakes, it doesn't fucking smash into me. Because I'll be pissed as all hell. She say, do you love me? I tell you, my mom, I'm sorry. Now you have a clear path to kill people.
You want to pump the brakes real quick?
Okay.
Wonder if that might suck it down.
Is it sucking it?
Yeah, you keep pumping. Actually, we're good now. It's full now. You can stop it. Just a little bit.
Fuck, I'm nervous, bro. Be ready to hit the e-brake.
No, I'm ready to put a slapper in neutral and I hit the e-brake. Oh, it feels really good now.
How are they? Do it.
You gotta push on
Do an emergency stop, like slam on them.
You're slamming. And it's kind of squishy.
At least they work.
Oh, I had the e-brake on, that's why.
Are they awful?
And they work.
Are they? Is that slamming on them?
Here, this is slamming.
Here, try it. Go down the road.
How big?
Sure. Here, do an emergency. Is that emergency?
Yeah, they're really squishy now.
We gotta re-bleed them. This is unsafe. That's not good. Take her home.
Here, we'll do it at 20.
Take her home. It's not gonna get any better. Gotta rebleed them or something. Because of that one rear brake that we
Yeah, I'm
welded,
guessing.
can't get the air out of that one.
I mean,
I don't see how that can cause an issue though.
shit, that could.
You wanna try rebleeding the front too? Or do you wanna just
Do
call
you
it?
think we could? Think we should try cutting that weld open, bleeding the brake? I don't know how we bleed it. Though.
I'm not doing that tonight though.
Yeah, I know. I just don't know how we bleed that one.
Yeah, I don't know either.
Well, we do know that it's only 3 brakes.
Hey, it shouldn't be this bad.